if this happened to your PC. So don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you and teach you how to exactly fix it, and I'll guide you step by step. If your computer is gone to automatic repair, so what should you do and what's the problem with your computer? So just follow this video and I'll show you exact how to fix it. If your computer has gone into automatic repair, there are many reasons that cause this issue. Number one, your SSU or your HD hard disk might be expired or might not work after this. So, for example, you use your computer for about 4 years, 5 years. So now your computer has gone into bootloader automatic repair. So it means that your SSU or your HDD has a problem. And the second way is that your SSU or your HDD is right. It's okay. It's working. But the real problem is about bootloader. Bootloader, for example, if it can't load the Windows, Mac, Linux, or any operating system, so it means that your bootloader file are not working. They have some problem that must be fixed. In this video, my computer has problem with the bootloader. So I'll fix it in front of you, so you will know how to fix it your computer at home, or you will fix your family computers at home. No problem, it's on you. But in this video, you will know how to exactly fix your computer if it gone on automatic repair mode. So just like the video and watch to the end and know how to exactly do it. So at the first, you have to try it by restarting your PC in the restart option. Restart it now. So if it didn't fix your Windows, so you have to try this option again. So you have to go to advanced option now, select advanced options, and then have to go to troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot and then advanced options. And then now you have to once try it by restart repair. So now it's checking. So just be somehow passionate. So check this for error. This might take hour. So let's say an hour, but maybe it will be finished very in a short time. For example, it's now finishing attempting first, so it didn't fix it. So we have to go to troubleshoot and advanced option again, and so we have to go to command prompt, and we'll in command prompt section, you have to type some command. So at first it asks for you about the password, your Windows password. So type your password and then continue it. So as you see, the SIMD is open. Now you have to type bootrig/fix MBR and then enter. As it says, the operation completes successfully. And then now you have to type boot react slash fix boot. Type it and let me type boot fix boot and then enter. So it says access is denied. If yours in here digit denied, so you have to enter this and then you have to type bootreact/scan. Scans are also bootreact/rebuild bcd. My computer told that your access is denied. So if yours didn't deny it, so you have to do the two instruction that I have comment on the description, or I'll also comment in the video and I'll write on the video, and you have to continue that two instruction to be fixed your computer. But if yours is also denied, if your access also is denied, so you have to continue this to fix it and then we will continue it. So for example, we have to write here disk part and then list disk and then select disk 1 and then continue the another instruction to be fixed as good as you will imagine, as good as you want. So as I told, write here disk part and then list disk. So let me write and then enter. So select disk 1. If you have more than one hard disk, so you have to know that what's your Windows is installed in which hard disk. For example, choose that hard disk. Select disk 0, enter. And now, yes, the disk 0 is now the selected disk. So we have to write list volume. Let me type list volume and then enter. So now it has list all the volume that are in your computer, in your PC. So you have to find the UEFI partition that has bootloader. For example, uh, don't choose a drive that has more than 1 GB. For example, you have to choose here the partition that has MBs. For example, in here, might 100 MB or more than 100 MB, so you have to choose that. Example, I have chosen that. Okay, sorry about that. Mine is about NTFS. So if yours are UEFI, so no problem. You have to find it. For example, my partition is about 100 MB. So yours may be 100 MB or 260 MB. No problem. Just choose it. So as you see, mine is FAT 32. So yours might be UEFI or another name. So just choose this 100 MB, and then, for example, I have choose here select volume tree, and I'll then continue it. So now you may have to assign a number, sorry, you have to assign a letter for this. For example, I have assigned the letter equal 0. No problem. The Z or X or Y, each letter you choose, no problem. And also don't worry about the capital or small letter, just type it. So you see that this part successfully assigned the drive letter for amount or letter or amount or mount point, for example. And then you have to exit, just one exit to just exit the disk part and be on the CMD. So now you have to type this. After you have typed exit, one exit, so you have to type this bcd boot space C, and then C colon write Windows slash S space Z or Z colon again and again slash F space UEFI, and then enter. If it says boot file successfully created, so you are lucky and your computer has been fixed very good and very in a good way and easy way. So if it didn't get fixed, or if it didn't say that you're ready to use your computer, so you have to install another Windows on your computer, or just change your HDD or your SSD hard disk to be fixed your computer. So after it says that the boot file successfully created, you have to restart your computer, and then you will see that your Windows is loading. So you're ready to use your Windows without installing a new Windows, without losing your data, and without many other problems. So it's okay. And as you see, my computer is now fixed and I can use it. And as you see, the data are on the desktop and didn't removed. So it's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, but don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends to know how to exactly fix their computer.